a process. And lots of times by doing the wrong thing, learned what not to do, or in some cases, what it works better and what ends not only their own suffering, but the suffering of the people around them as well. Plato's cave, if you recall, I've heard different versions of it, but the people in Plato's cave were chained, I believe, to an iron wall, and there were figures dancing, but all they could see was the shadows because of where they were and how they were looking and the way they were perceiving. So they weren't able to get out of the cave and experience what can I words can I use? Living, being present, being aware. That all they were seeing or hearing were the words and seeing the shadows. So that's one thing we're going to be playing with.